In this video, I'm going to show you touch to turn on the buzzer experiment. We'll use the touch module and buzzer module. Let's connect the first pin of touch module to the positive power supply of battery. Let's take the signal from the second pin of touch module and connect it to positive pin, that is first pin of buzzer. Now let's close the circuit by connecting negative pin of buzzer to the negative of battery. So when I touch, if I just touch the module, buzzer is giving very less sound. If I press it hardly, buzzer is giving high sound.